Hi guys, I did this video like 3 weeks ago. I didn't have a chance to upload it. Just want to show you what I did with this broken tail light. As you see, this video will be in Arabic as well, so you can just follow me and I'll upload this video also in Arabic. You see, as I took the cover there, so basically that's where the screw is to remove the light. Basically you can see the light is all in solid tape, and on the right hand side is all in pieces. So I bought a new one. This one is from Amazon. I will put the link. I believe, I can't remember the price to be honest with you, but I think it was around the 34 pound, and this one came in with the bulbs included already, so I don't have to remove the old bulbs, so I keep them. So yeah, so if you buy this one, you will come up with the thing. So what I did, I unscrewed I will show you anyways, it's coming up. That's the screw, but that one was broken, and this one I did it myself. I reversed into a lamppost. Yes, so as you see, this one was already removed because the screw side was broken. As you see there, I unplugged the power. So that's the with the light comes in. So that's the screw. It was broken, but this screw you cannot remove it from this side. As you see, I'm struggling to remove it. So I tried a few times, and then I went to watch a video on YouTube, and basically there's the hole in there. So basically the light goes in there. It's got a little like pin. It goes on the right hand side in that little hole. But the screw, to remove it, you see what you need to get it from the bottom, and you see how easy to remove. So basically if you put this screwdriver from the bottom, it's easily to be removed. So as you see, yeah, mine was broken. I hit it hard, but to put it back on again, to install this tail light is very easy, to be honest with you. It's not hard. It's very simple. As you see what I've got, I mean, everything came in like I bought it. I don't have to do anything. You just need to basically plug the power back in. So just a click. So yeah, just a click, and it's easy. So I'm just trying to put the power in there. So yeah, just push it in till it clicked, and that's it. So I will just push it back, and as you see, basically I'm sure you need to try before you install everything. So I tried it. I'm trying the light, the signal is working, everything was fine. So now I'm just gonna put everything back together. As I said, I will put this video in Arabic language so other people can understand, and this is very straightforward, to be honest with you, to fix. It's an easy fix. Just had to buy the light and the set, and this one, they're not that expensive, to be honest with you. It's an Audi. I mean, if you buy the real the original light, it will cost quite a lot of money. So I've seen them it's over 100 up to 150 pound. Some of them is even more. So this one, I think I bought it for 34 pound, and I will put the link. And as you see, you just need to push it in, and just remember, you see the right hand side now. When I put my hand, that's on the right hand side, there is a little hole, as I showed you before. See that little hole, that small pin, that one, that needs to go inside. Otherwise the light will even if you put if you screw it in while you're moving, it might come up. So just in case, but once you push that in, that's it. You screw it back in from the same place, from that little hole in the back, and just screw it in. I mean, I had a bit of problem, to remove it in the beginning. Even to screw it in, you have to fiddle a little bit with it, but it's easy. It's not a problem. It's easy. As you're seeing, he gave me a little bit of a hard time to even found the screw. So, but once you catch it, you see, I'm trying to fix it, trying to put it back in. He gave me a bit of a hard time because you need to have like a kind of an angle from the bottom. You need to have an angle to it to catch the screw. Once you catch it. As I said, you know, it gave me a bit of a hard time to get the screw into place. But see, that's the angle you need to have to get the screw. So it was just the angle, I didn't get it right in the beginning. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question or anything, don't just ask anything you need. And thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.
Oh.